Let's do GK questions on vitamins. Where does the word vitamin come from? Latin. Vitamin is derived from Latin word vita meaning life and amine meaning amino acids. What is the study of vitamins called? Vitaminology. Vitaminology is a branch of science which deals with the study of vitamins, their structure, mode of action, and the functions in maintaining body health. Who invented the word vitamin? Casimir Funk. In 1912, Casimir Funk originally coined the term vitamine. Which vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin K. Which vitamin is lost when peeled vegetables are washed? Vitamin C. Which vitamins prevent infections in human body? Vitamin C and vitamin A. What are the two classifications of vitamins? Fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins. Which vitamins are water-soluble? Vitamin C and members of the vitamin B complex are water-soluble. Which vitamins are fat-soluble? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat-soluble. What is the common chemical name for vitamin A? Retinol. Formula C20H30O. What is the common chemical name for vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Formula C6H8O6. What is the common chemical name for vitamin B12? Cyanocobalamin. Which vitamin is responsible for anemia? Vitamin B12. Vitamins linked to vitamin deficiency anemia include folate, vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Which vitamin is known as beauty vitamin? Vitamin B7, vitamin H or coenzyme R? Which vitamin has cobalt in it? Vitamin B12.
Thank you for watching.